So if you've been struggling to lose weight and you've tried all diets without any results, then this video is just for you. So I'm going to show you some tips to help you lose weight. I'm not promising anything, but I guarantee that if you follow these tips, you'll start to see results. I promise. So in this video, I'll talk about exercise intensity such as light and moderate. Don't worry, keep watching this video. I've linked 2 additional videos at the end discussing what I mean by light and moderate intensity exercise and how to ensure that you're exercising at the right intensity. So let's get started. So I would start your morning with 10 minutes of light exercise. Forget about the intensity right now, okay? Start every day in the morning just with the 10 minutes of light exercise. It could be walking, it could be biking, it could be dancing. And then slowly add 2 minutes every week. So let's say you start with 10 minutes daily this week, then you do 12 minutes next week. Let us say if your job only allows 10 minutes in the morning, then I'll probably do it twice a day, maybe 10 minutes in the morning and then 5 minutes in the evening. Then the next week you can do 10 minutes in the morning and then 7 minutes in the evening, and slowly increase your duration by actually able to do 30 minutes a day. So once you're able to do 30 minutes of exercise daily, then start to worry about the intensity. So let us say maybe you can do the first 10 minutes, you can do like a moderate intensity exercise where you challenge yourself, and the rest 20 minutes you can probably do like a light intensity. Then slowly 12 minutes of moderate intensity, 18 minutes of light intensity, and you slowly keep doing that until you're able to do at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise. Now let's talk about eating habits. I'm not going to make anything very hard to follow. So basically I'm going to say, instead of eliminating food, instead of saying that I'm not going to have this certain food, I'm not going to have this certain food, I would say try to add increased servings of fruits and vegetables. So basically maybe I would start with adding 2 cups of vegetables in your diet and 1 cup of fruit, and every week or every 2 weeks add 1 more cup. So you might probably start with 3 cups of vegetables and then 1.5 cups of fruits. And once you're able to attain eating 5 cups of vegetables and 2 servings of fruits, maybe you can stay there, or if you want to keep adding more, and that's totally fine. So next is eliminate sugar intake. So the practical tip that I would give you is that, so make a list of places where you actually consume a lot of sugar. So let us say, for example, you consume pop at work, and let's say you consume pop while having dinner. Let's say you consume pop while going to a friend's house. So make a list of all these places and then just slowly cut by one. So for example, let us say maybe I'll pick, you know what, I'll drink pop outside my home, but I would not drink pop at home. So do this for 21 days and completely eliminate pop from your home. The next step I'll do is that, okay, now that I know that I can accomplish this, maybe I'll start focusing on cutting pop at work, but then if I want to have pop, I can probably have pop at my friend's place. So keep doing this one by one, and slowly by 3 months, completely eliminate sugar from your diet. I mean, I'm not saying that don't have ice cream forever in your lifetime, but at least when you have ice cream, you have control over it. You make a conscious decision rather than kind of being habituated of eating pastries or ice cream all the time. Okay, so keep doing this religiously, and I guarantee you in 3 months, you're going to see a significant improvement of your health. And I would highly recommend to post in the comments below so that you can inspire others. And I'm also really eager to see your progress. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.